Now, decrying the deplorable condition of Imphal-Pangei Road, the Imphal-Pangei Road Development Committee has urged the state government and authorities concerned to immediately repair the road stretch at the earliest. The committee has even warned to launch intense agitation if their demands were left ignored. Locals of Imphal-Pangei Road stretch area, including members of 4 local clubs and Manipur, also staged a protest demonstration near Chandam ground at Kurai Puthi Balaikai, decrying the failure to repair the road today. Taking part in the protest, one local named Asem Imo Maitei said that the Imphal-Pangei Road Development Committee has made repeated appeals to the Chief Minister, Works Minister, local MLA El Susindro Maitei, who is also the CAF and PD Minister, as well as Kundrakwam MLA TH Lokeshwar regarding the same, but to no avail till date.
Tang kunma panboki manungda hairiba lambi si phibam yamna soklo lambi si yongdang sembi oina thamjagra matungda hojik khawda kaimta paikhat piraktabadagi asi khoi makha tarap ko khongdang oina sit in protest pangthok jaban lambi gi phibam ji yongtang yengwa tamda hojik sidai kitang keno to bokanda accident mayam thokre adi khudong thiba lambi gi phatawgi phibam jina maram markanda adagi di school chaliba ngang nubi mayam chatpa khogi yadaba gi phibam da hojik si lairabane awa phibam mani hojik laisa hojik lebi kong ko mayam jina maram ga am chatpa yaroi adana Sine masih yang tang mieng cangbi rakanda kita tuna sembi naba apil taujari itu kayak gumba sembi rakra di makata ba poin hajar nain hen akan berhong yang mayam apa canggian naba sem sarga lagi jaya.
Now, speaking to SKTV News, one Manipur Laishram Thambalsana expressed discontentment over the alleged failure of the authorities concerned to take necessary measures to repair the road stretch. She highlighted the problems facing the locals and commuters due to the dilapidated condition of the road. She further warned that the locals will launch various agitations if the government continue to pay no heed to the issue.
Assembly Mifam Asisu, who cut you hide the Sutaksin Zakre, Adubo, Akwagi, Natai, Tambi, Mong, Use, Akoyam, Pende, Ojik Taliba, class 12, Amadi, Tengi Perka, Lady Visiting Lambisi, Aquena, Taliba, Langsing Siki, Parents, Siki, and Gakakoise, one strike of the Tok Jadabaneba, Adubo, Henzil Lakota, Virakta Taragadi, Lambi, Hawako, Tokai, Pimunda, as minor young Birakagadi, had Bakongjan Sanction Jagani, a Tubamatamda, Zatariba, Ajiki Assembly Mifamasi, Data, Pukapidana, Hadi Balambi, Watuamatam, the Sembi, Hibawafamasi Tamzari.
Meanwhile, SKTV News, while inspecting the Kurai Salantong, Chaithabi Leirak and Kurai Liningtho Puthiba Sanglen route along Imphal-Pangei Road stretch, noticed lengthy, uneven stretches and potholes along the said routes.